Hi everybody. Okay, all right, well, I'm here next to the ocean at the V&A waterfront in Cape Town today, but this video is to say thank you to all of you for subscribing and watching and following the journey. 3,000 subscribers, that's awesome, so I'm very, very happy about it. And I met some great people, but the Dolphins came out to put on the show for us today, so I will include that in the video. And just once again, from myself, thank you so much for subscribing, and leave the comments. I will reply to them. Thanks everybody. Bye. Oh, they're right here.
Sea dog, no, that's not a dolphin. It's a dolphin.
Yeah, it's our dolphins.
Yeah, Liam, thank you.
Where are you from? Different country.
Exactly.
You cannot call yourself South African. Yeah, you're on YouTube. Say hi to someone.
Hi.
What are your names?
Joshua.
Joshua.
Bravo.
Bravo.
Did you see the head of the tree? We didn't even see the head, but he stayed. He saying after the dolphin, maybe you must check the head. It's a dog.
It's not about the head, it's about the fins. The dorsal fin.
Now I can, you see now there was the head. The dog looked like a dog.
Oh yeah.
See that one there?
Ah, do you see those ones jumping over there? Oh, where did it go? Okay, let's have a look. Oh, over there. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, where? Over there.
And now Whiskey Papa and their biggest content back to
See that one jumps out
Zulu 1
clearly.
is there on standby. Confirm?
Jump out.
No, please, but they must make sure that they are not for
There.
Ah!
Wow.
They're so small.
Yes, they're so small.
Ah, usually we have the big ones. It would be nice to have a good jump.
Yes. Just one good jump.
Technical actuarial terms.
Just one little jump.
Yeah.
One.
Kind of a dolphin, is it? I think it's a shell.
No, it's the else. Seal.
Yeah, it's here.
It looks like a dolphin.
Yeah, there is one here, but those are dolphins. Yeah. But there is a seal here. I got a video of it this morning. there's plenty of them. Look over there.
Yes.
Loads.
Loads.
If they can just come closer.
And jump. Just one jump.
Yeah, every time I switch the camera off, then they jump.
It's always like
It's
that.
always like that. What's your name?
Kanto.
You're going to be on my YouTube channel.
Oh, really? Hi, everyone.
Yeah. Be more specific. Who do you want to say hi to?
Okay, what's your name?
My name's Monique. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Hi, Monique. Followers.
That's cool. That's
Yes.
cool. Because actually this video is to say thanks for 3,000 followers, but I just hit over 4,000 now.
Wow, congratulations.
Thank you, yeah.
On YouTube.
Yes.
That's big.
Yeah, I'll show you my channel.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
that's so good. No, congratulations.
Thank
Keep
you.
on following, subscribe, what you say, like.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you very much.
Oh my.
Okay, right at the back there where that white boat is, there's a lot of jumping going on there. Yeah, see that? And we have two here in the front, but mostly the jumping is there at the back. Time I switched the oh, did you see that? We got a jump. Nice. I've been waiting the whole morning for this. Oh wow, yeah, okay. This is nice activity. I'm glad I walked all the way here. Because I was standing over there. That's where I filmed before. But it seems as if the commotion is here. Oh wow, look at that. I think on a television or a laptop this will be quite clear. You will clearly see them jumping, but I'm not so sure on the cell phone though. Oh, 3 of them in one go. Nice. Wow. Okay, so we're doing dolphin watching today. Nice. Now you can see them all over. We have plenty of dolphins. Look over there, they're jumping there too. We are used to seeing this. It's very common in South Africa. You just stand on the beach and you watch the dolphins and whales. Really animal life in abundance in Africa. That's definitely why it's my favorite continent. I love Africa. And this is in the middle of winter. Another reason why I love Africa. It's warm. And you can see them all over there, over there, over there. I think the visuals are better on this side because the sun is not directly on the water, so it's much more easy to, or easier to spot them. Waiting for my friend to arrive. I don't know what happened to him. But he said he's on his way. Maybe the traffic's not so good today. Look at the birds. Look at that. Oh, so many of them. Look, another batch coming. Whoa. Just endless. Final show. Oh wow. Yeah, that one's really close. Oh. More birds coming. My goodness. It's never ending. It's just going to keep on going. Look at it. It's like ants. Okay, so what was supposed to be a 1-minute thank you for 3,000 subscribers video turned into a 20-minute dolphin, seal and bird watching video here at the V&A waterfront in Cape Town. And I hope you enjoyed the video with me, and I met some awesome people. So yeah, thank you everybody again for subscribing, and until next time, bye.